Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm at the vending machine again. Hot Wheels hot hatchback Subaru Impreza, the Honda Integra, McLaren Pontiac Firebird, the Porsche 914 Safari, heavy hitcher Star Wars Land Speeder in worn colors, Baja Hauler. This is new. Mad Mouse Corvette Gasser, Chevrolet Silverado. This one is the Ford Maverick. The Toon Batmobile, Gasser, a Matchbox, El Camino, Mustang, Toon Manga, pickup truck, Cabriolet Camaro, Toon Silverado in the red, another Integra, a bike, and Lancia Delta. And at the bottom here is all old news. Spider-Man, Loki's helicopter. So apart from this, which is very tempting to buy, and this Land Speeder, otherwise there's nothing much. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.